What's up, everybody? My name is Alexi and I'm the creator of Hooey Doodles, and I am here to help you learn ProCreate. And today we're going to be focusing on resizing your canvas and your file image. So let's get into it. All right, so we're going to be working with this image. I actually drew this last night on YouTube Live, so I do live paintings. So if you see me on there, come check me out. So how we get to resizing canvases, you're going to go to this little toolbar right here. You're going to go to Canvas and you're going to go to Crop and Resize. So you can click and drag this around, but it's not very precise. So I'm going to go 2 fingers to go back, and I'm going to go to Settings. So one way you can do this is you can go up to here and you can plug in your own numbers. Well, you're going to be moving your canvas around, but your image is going to get cropped. So I'm going to go 2 fingers to go back. I'm going to go back to Crop and Resize, Settings, and I'm going to turn on this resample canvas. So what this is going to do, first of all, is going to keep this ratio the same. So what I mean by it's going to keep the ratio the same is that if I make this 12 and 8, it's going to be an 8 by 10. I started making this file here as a 16 by 20. But if I try to make this 16 again, you see this red layer right here, or this red bar come up, it's going to say I've exceeded the number of layers that I can have. So what you need to know within ProCreate is that the larger your canvas is, the less layers you have available to you. And depending on your iPad and model, that number is going to change. So for me, I had to file it down to, or move it down to a 12 by 15, and that gave me the layers that I needed. So if I make this again, if you watch up here, I'm going to create a 10 and it says 89 layers available to me. I don't know why ProCreate makes it show up for about a half a second. I wish it would show up for longer, but just keep an eye up here and it'll tell you how many layers you have available. So if you ever do try to create a bigger canvas, so if I go up to here to 16 inches, it should say 16 by 20, but it just says maximum layers available. And if I go to 12, 37 layers available to me. I believe I've used all 37 layers. So this ratio will always stay the same. Because I started it as a 16 by 20, if I do half of 16 is going to be 8, half of 20 is 10. So it's an 8 by 10. Now there is another way to lock this ratio. If you don't do resize canvas, or resample canvas, you can also click this little chain right here and you can mess with the ratio of the canvas, but it's not going to resample your artwork. So if I go and make this an 8 by 10 and I press done, see, it's going to crop out the artwork that I've already made. So if you want your artwork to sample or to resize with the canvas that you're working on, you have to press resample canvas, and then it will ratio the canvas along with your artwork. So that's it. That's all you need to know about resizing your canvas and your artwork. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll answer any questions that you have. You can check out my artwork on Instagram at Hooey Doodles, and I make reels and YouTube videos on how to use ProCreate. So be sure to give me a follow, like it, and comment, and all that, yada yada. Anyway, have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.